Let's go back to the basics. At some point, we've all felt stuck, drowning in information, overwhelmed by choices. Coding, trading, copywriting, designing, investing. Everyone says learn this skill and get rich. But what if I told you that you don't need 10 different skills to change your life? You just need one. Let me tell you about Raj. She was working a 9-to-5 in Pune, barely making ends meet. Everyone around him was chasing trends. Crypto today, dropshipping tomorrow, but Raj focused on one thing: Excel, not flashy, not viral, but he mastered it deeply. Dashboards, automations, formulas. He became the go-to guy. Within 6 months, he was freelancing. In a year, he was earning more than his manager. The truth is, success isn't about knowing everything. It's about going deep on one thing, and there's power in specialization. When you become really good at one thing, the world will notice. Opportunities will come knocking. You won't be stuck in the rat race anymore. Think of Maya from Chicago. She didn't dabble in everything. She picked copywriting, studied it, wore daily, posted online. After a few months, brands noticed. Now she writes for startups and charges more than most consultants. Let's look at the numbers. On average, freelancers earn 3 times more than their full-time counterparts. And the best part, you can do it in your free time. You don't have to quit your job. You can start today. Learn a new skill, build your portfolio, and watch your income grow. Here's how to get started. Step 1, pick your skill. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Step 2, go all in. Don't be a jack of all trades. Master one skill. Become an expert. Step 3, build your portfolio. Show off your skills. Create a website, write samples, make videos. Step 4, put yourself out there, network with people, reach out to clients. Apply for jobs. And step 5, keep going, don't give up. Keep learning, keep improving. You only need one skill to change your life. All you need is the willingness to learn, the drive to succeed. So stop jumping from one trend to another. Stop trying to be a jack of all trades. Go deep on one thing, become the best at it. And you will be rewarded. Trust me, the world needs your skills. You just need to find them, and when you do, you can achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make it happen. Don't wait till tomorrow what you can do today. Start learning your one skill today. I promise you, the journey will be worth it. The struggle will be worth it. Because all you need is one skill to change your life.